Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. Thank you for supporting me and welcome my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet baby shirt designs and different patterns. And I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing crochet shirt designs. So viewers, don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. You know guys, different people have different choice. Some people have different choice to like bright colors, some different dark color and some different light colors. But I share all designs in one this video. You collect the different all designs to make the shirt for you. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. The crochet lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to work crochet every day. These three patterns are having to all fabulous design from AC. The most recent baby crochet shirt designs, beginner friendly and stitches as you want as a shower gift for your friend. This is a pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more crochet patterns. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. So viewers, share this video to your friend and family members. So friends, be connected with me and remember, me in your prayer. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.